Hey everyone, welcome to FX.M. Today we are breaking down GBP USD, XAU USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, and the DXY, the dollar index. I will show you key market levels, potential opportunities, and risks so you can make smarter decisions. I have added timestamps in the video so you can jump directly to each analysis you want. So, first of all, we are starting with DXY. In the DXY, as you can see, this is the last high of our downtrend. So, when we are closing above that, we are bullish. As you can see, this is our bullish trend. So, we are looking for buy in the interesting areas, like this order block here. So, uh, we are in that order block. We are going to forage right now to see the chalk. If we have a chalk, we can buy in that forage. So we don't see any chalks here, so we are going to 1 hour. And in 1 hour, as we can see, this is the last high of our downtrend. So we have closed about it, so we have the chalk, so we can open buy position in the interesting areas like this order block here, as you can see, like this order block here. And most important thing is this order block. Why? Because we didn't use this liquidity of this order block and we have a chalk. So when we are coming back, if we get to this area, we can have good liquidity, good push to the upside. So as you can see, we have a good push to the upside, and our prediction is we can go higher this week in the DXY. So this is DXY. Let's talk about XAUSD gold. So we are going to the daily time frame again to see the market structure. As you can see, this is the last high and low. This is the last low and high of our trend, so we are bullish. As long as we are in this area, we are bullish, and we haven't closed above or high above in this area, so we are bullish. But as we can see, we have a bad trend here, so we are going to forage. So in forage time frame, this is the last high of our downtrend. So when we are closing above it, we are bullish. So in the retracement, we can open buy. Where we can buy in this FPG here, this FPG here, and this order block here. But this order block is not good. Why? Because when we have massive moves and we have FPG, if the FPG fails, we must have the liquidity below that order block like this. If this FPG fails, if this FPG here fails, we must have another low here to grab liquidity, because we don't have the liquidity to go to the upside. As long as we are in the FPG, we can open long position. So we are in forage. We need to see a chart. We are going to 1 hour, 1 hour or 30 minutes, 1 or 2 time frames slower. So in 1H, the last high of our downtrend is here. So we don't have a chart, so we won't want to buy it here. So we are going to the 30 minutes. As you can see, this is the last let me fix it. this is the last high of our downtrend, so we have a chalk, so we can open buy position where a good order block or FVG. So we don't have any good FVGs or order blocks here, so we won't enter trade. But if we had a push to the upside, then if we have a good order block here, we could enter the trade. Or if we have push to the downside, another shock happens, we can enter here with good order blocks. So we are waiting to the Euro USD. Euro USD, the daily time frame, we are bullish. This is the last. We are bearish. This is the last high of our trend, so we have closed below it. So we are bearish, so we can enter at the good areas like this FVG, and so as you can see, this FVG have failed as we predicted on the Twitter. And another area we can enter is this order block. That is better because so we are going to the Forex time frame again to see a shock. As you can see, we have a massive move here, and 1, 2, and this is 3, so we can have a push to the downside. As you can see, we don't have the shock in 1H in 4H, so we are going to the 1H. As you can see, this is the last high, this is the last low of our uptrend, so we are looking to the buy, like this area, this order block, and this order block here again, and above it. Why? Because as I said before in the DXY, when we have order block that we don't use the liquidity of it, and after we have BOS, backup structure, we can enter sell position here if we see a 5M chalk. As you can see, we don't have 5M chalk because this is the last low of our uptrend. Yeah, we have closed below it, so we can enter sell in this area. In this area, we can open sell position here with this stop loss, and our TP will be, our final TP will be here, another low in 1H because we are bearish. So this is fortune reward. Another analysis in USD JPY. USD JPY is the best pair to trade this week, and I will show you. As you can see, we are bullish here, so we want to open buy and good order blocks. So we have great order block here, so we are going to the 4H saying chalk. So as you can see, this is the last high of our downtrend, and we have closed the buy, and I have entered a long position here, so I had a sell. But we have another chalk here in this area. This is the last high of our downtrend, so we can enter buy in this FVG and in this order block. So we have the FVG and the order block here, so we will go to the 30M to see a chalk. As you can see, this is the last high of our downtrend, so we can enter long here in this area, in this FVG. This is gonna be our sell, and it's gonna be our TP. And the last pair that we are analyzing, GBP USD. This is the same, almost the same with Euro USD. As you can see, this is the last high of our, this is the last low of our uptrend. So we have closed about it. We are bullish, bearish right now, and this is our trend and structure. So we can enter a trade with this order block here. So we are going to the Forex again, seeing chalk. We don't have a chalk, so going one time frame lower. And as you can see, this is the last low of our uptrend. So we are close about below it, so we can enter the trade with this um, order blocks here. And I have entered this trade. This is my stop loss, and this is my the final TP that we have is here, but my TP is here on this order block here. As I said, we are bullish in Forex, and this is the last low we have, this area. So this is the last low we have. So below it, if we have an order block that we didn't use the liquidity of it, it can have a good push from here to the upside. So this is a good area to put our TPs. And conclusion, we have conclusion here. DXY is bullish, XAUSD is bullish, Euro USD is bearish, USD is bullish too, and GBP USD is bearish too. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, please like and subscribe.